Okay, you're welcome back to the Crypto Niche channel, and today I'm going to be talking about ToTheSmart. ToTheSmart is a new smart contract platform on the Binance Smart chain. Okay, and they promise that they're going to be giving you 5% profit every day. Okay, so meaning that if you invest $1,000 into this project, into the smart contract, then you're going to be getting it back $1,000 in 20 days. That is the meaning. Okay. So the name actually looks attractive to the smart, meaning that if you invest into this project, you are a smart person. But before I actually dissect this project, before I review the project and zoom in my lens into this project, I want you guys to do something for me right now. I want you to subscribe to the channel. We have a little bit above 1,000 subscribers right now on the channel. I want you to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell, okay? Because that is how you are going to be able to, get notified each time I upload new valuable content to the channel. All right. So once you do that, invite your friend also, okay? And I'm going to appreciate you for that. So let me now go back to the project review. And also on the channel, I have a playlist for you, where I review projects. Okay, I review project and tell you exactly what my opinion is about the project. So, and it's left to you to invest into the project or to desist from investing into such project. All right. So now, I got this notification about the project from the news.bitcoin.com. All right, and the title got my attention. I saw something like ToTheSmart is an exclusive smart contract built on Binance Smart Chain. Right? Okay. I was like, okay, let me have a look. Let me see how it works. And I saw something like there is no need to buy expensive equipment and pay for electricity. All right. You can simply buy virtual miners from ToTheSmart and earn up to 5% per day in passive income. Okay. This actually got my attention. Okay, because if you are living in a country whereby the power supply is epileptic and maybe the internet access is not so, it is not so fast, then you think that investing into such platform like this can actually be um can actually be worth it for you. Okay, so now I read further, then I decided to check out the websites. I check out the smart contracts auditing platform. Okay, then I check them out on Telegram. I check them out on on YouTube and several other platforms. Okay, so when you check these guys on Twitter, what do you see? You see only a very small amount of followers. Okay, they actually following 60 people and only 59 people are following them. Okay, that is a red flag. One. Okay, the way you look at that, the next thing you want to pay attention to is that, okay, they said that they are audited by a smart contract auditing firm. So who is the auditing firm? Ace Crypto. All right. So Ace Crypto, to the best of my knowledge, as far as the crypto industry is concerned, they are the least. In fact, they are the bottom of the ladder. Okay. I cannot start a crypto project today and decide to use Ace Crypto as an auditing firm. Okay. I'm going to use guys like Catchix to audit my smart contracts. Okay, that is how I can prove to the rest of the world that yes, I'm genuine and I know exactly what I'm doing. All right. So I'm going to rate this Azel between the scale of 1 to 10. I'm going to give them 2. Okay, because they are not popular. In fact, I'm just coming across the smart contract auditing platform for the first time in my entire life. Okay, so let's even look at the home. Okay, I'm clicking on the home, it's not even moving. Okay, so it could actually be that this guy just created this website by themselves to swindle people, of their money. Okay, that is one. The another thing you have to take note of is I went through the entire white paper because I love to read, and I read through the entire white paper. Okay, so they have a robust referral program for those who want to refer their family and friends to the platform. Okay, they have up to like line 7 in that generation. Okay, meaning that what you can earn through this platform is really, really unlimited. Like you can earn a lot of money from the platform. Okay, but the question I want you guys to ask now is: do they really have a miner? Do they have a mining rig? If you go to the Telegram group and ask for the pictures of the miners or the mining rig or something like that, they are going to remove you from that group instantly. Why? Because they don't have anything like this. For those who don't know how a cryptocurrency miner looks like, an hardware miner looks exactly like this. Okay, so let me click on the images so that you can have an idea of how these things looks like. So there are a bunch of computers, processing a lot of transactions. Okay, you can see them right here. So this is how a mining rig looks like. But these guys want to want to become a virtual miner, okay, that you can actually pay and they mine on your behalf and send the profit back to you. That's exactly what they're trying to do. But I'm going to say that this is not what they're doing, okay? Let's even go further. I want you guys to decide for yourself if it is a project that you think you want to invest into. But before you actually make the decision, wait till the end of this review before you make your decision first. Okay, so they registered this website. I checked it out on Waste. They registered this website on 28th of, I think, April. Yes, April 2022. Okay, and it is going to expire exactly 1 year, after the registration date. Okay, so meaning that since it's going to expire in the next 1 year, and this is July, okay, and you should be expecting that this website will expire in the next 9 months or thereabout. That's the meaning. Okay, so meaning that it seems like the developer, they are not looking at the sustainability of this project beyond these dates. All right, and if you come back to the website right now, there's a countdown timer here. Get free miner for 10 USD. Okay, this is just like a clickbait, because I read about this on the white paper. It means that they're going to be giving you $10 to buy the miner, okay, to pay for the miner, and you are going to be earning commission on this like every day. But you cannot withdraw the commission, and you cannot even upgrade your miner with it. So it's just like a demo. Okay, so don't fall for this. It's just like a demo. So here is the countdown. They're going to be launching in the next 22 hours. The only thing is that if this project is going to last for 3 months, maybe the first people that's going to join, maybe tomorrow in the next 22 hours, they are going to be among the top people that will benefit from the project. All right. So, because it is built like a pyramid. Okay, it is built like a pyramid. So now, aside that, I also checked them out on SimilarWeb. I couldn't find anything about the platform on SimilarWeb, and I went ahead to check them out on on website SEO checker. All right. So when I checked them out, this is what I found about them. So the country where this website is coming from is Philippines. It's coming from Philippines, and they have daily traffic of 1 to 10 visitors. So I'm probably one of the 10 visitors today, because I'm reviewing this right here before global audience. All right. So let me go back to this. So they're expecting traffic of 30 to 300. So the reason why I can't pull out any data from SimilarWeb is because you don't have enough traffic for SimilarWeb to consider them as worthy of monitoring, okay, of tracking. So that's why they're not having any data right here. So when you want to check the um, more information about the domain, okay, so you can check it out. You can check it here. The Alexa ranking is over 2 million ranking at the moment, and the website, the domain age is 88 days as at today. Okay, 88 days. So out of 365 days, okay, so you have to subtract 365 minus 88 days. All right. So backlinks, there are some kind of backlinks to the website. Okay. The domain authority is poor, just 3 out of 100. All right. So now, I want to also go online and check them out on Twitter. So this is a Twitter handle, okay, and they have 59 followers, and they are following 60 people, okay. Play to end game, it is not play to end. There is no game you are playing here. The only game you are playing here is the pyramid. That's the only game you are playing here, okay. So they've been trying to update the social media platforms and trying to get some, level of engagement, their tweets. But this is what they are doing. If you go on YouTube, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, okay, and turn on your notification button, okay. And if you have any comment about everything I've taught you, so everything I've reviewed here, then I want you to let me know in the comment box if this is a scam or legit. Let me know in the comment box. So let me go to the YouTube and search for to the smart. Okay, to the smart. So when you search for this keyword on Google, what are you seeing here? You are seeing a bunch of reviews on YouTube. 20,000 views, 8,700 views, okay, over 5,000 views. So a lot of people are talking about it on YouTube. Look at this amount of views. With this amount of views, then there should be more traffic going to the website, and there should be more traffic also going to their Twitter handle, so that people can actually join them and follow them up on Twitter. Because as you can see from here, they only struggle to have 59 followers. Okay, despite the fact that there has been a bunch of views, on YouTube, right? So people are actually getting paid. In my own perspective, people are actually getting paid to review this project. Okay, so I'm not getting paid to review this. I'm only trying to like give you the latest information so that you guys are going to be able to make an informed decision whether to invest into this or not. Okay, so when you look at that, then let's check out their Telegram group. I've been able to join the Telegram group, so you can see from here. This is the Telegram group. Where is it? Okay, this is it. So you're going to see more information about the project via their Telegram group. So I'm coming, because you are going to be able to tell if the amount of views that all of these reviews are getting on YouTube, if it actually measure up with their number of subscribers or their number of members on Telegram. Okay, so let me launch this. Okay, so right now they have um they have 754 members. When I joined them, they were just about 500. So it means that more people are getting aware about it, and more people are joining their Telegram community because they found the review on the internet, on Google, right? So now, as you can see, you're going to be seeing a bunch of YouTube channels talking about this project. Okay, but I want you to be careful. I want you to be fearful. Okay, if at all you are going to invest into this project, only invest a fraction of what you are willing to lose. Okay, note that statement. I'm not if for instance now what you are willing to lose is just like $1,000. So just invest a fraction of what you are willing to lose into it. All right. So and don't be carried away by this. This is, in my own perspective, this is actually a Ponzi. Okay, it's a Ponzi scheme. They are promising you 1,100 APR and return of 5% per day. Okay, it's not feasible. In my own perspective, it's not feasible. So be smart about it, and don't allow to the smart Ponzi to actually outsmart you. Okay, don't allow to the smart Ponzi to actually outsmart you and snap off your money or snatch away your money. Okay, so be careful, guys. Be careful. Don't fall for it. And if you're actually going to try it out, make sure that you only try it out with only the amount of money that you are comfortable with, that you are willing to lose. Okay, so that is everything I need to say about to the smart review. I want you guys to support the channel, by subscribing, by turning on the notification button, and join the crypto niche community on Telegram, for even more information like this. Okay, so bye for now and have a blessed day.